Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin now. Make sure your iPhone X has Wi-Fi or cellular and at least 20% battery, or plug it in. Open Settings and tap your name. If you don't have an Apple ID, choose Create New Apple ID and follow prompts. Enter a valid email, password, and birthday. These verify identity and enable account recovery. Once done, verify the email from Apple before proceeding, because an unverified Apple ID limits iCloud access and syncing across devices. Now sign in with your Apple ID in Settings. After entering credentials, you might need to input your device passcode for security. Tap iCloud to view services, toggle photos to sync your camera roll, enable contacts and notes to keep data across devices, and turn on iCloud Drive for documents. Choose iCloud Backup and tap Backup Now to create an immediate snapshot of settings and app data. This protects you if you ever reset or replace the phone. Finish by confirming your iCloud storage. Go to Settings, your name, iCloud Manage Storage, and upgrade if needed so photos and backups don't pause. Enable Find My iPhone and two-factor authentication to secure the account and simplify recovery. If something goes wrong, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, restart the iPhone, and check your network. If issues persist, check Apple system status or try resetting network settings. These steps resolve most common sync failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.